This is the set of nails in my previous video at the end, and I asked if anybody wanted to see how I did the set, and quite a few said they wanted to, so I decided to put the video up and share the fill with you. So if you want to see the removal of the color, checking for lifting, and doing the cuticle work and the bits I used, because in that video I shared all my favorite bits that I had just purchased, then you can see that video in the top right hand corner. So now I just did the primer at the beginning of this video, and I just put it on the natural nails where there was actual no builder or remaining. And then I applied a base coat, a thin layer base coat, pushed it down and cured it in the UV LED light for 60 seconds. Now you can see me applying builder. I think I show you a couple nails. So what I do with my builder is I apply a slip layer all over the nail so that the gel won't run into our cuticles, or at least it'll slow it down. And then I'll take a bead or dollop of the builder and float it over the nail. So you'll see me doing that here. So I'm doing the slip layer, and in a second I'll grab that bead of builder and I'll just float it over the nail, and then I'll check for any indents, and then I also use my light to do that as well. And I want to make sure I have gel in her apex area, and then I cure it, or I flash cure it and move on to the next one. I think this is the only one I show you. And then I move on to doing the pink builder that I'm using. I'm going to be doing some art on this nail, and so we needed like a sheer pink color below. So I switched builders, and again, slip layer, didn't cure it. Now floating the rest over top and just making sure that it covers the nail nicely and she has the apex in the right area before I cure. So when I was done with the builder on all of the nails, they all cure for 60 seconds, and I did file and buff. I didn't show it in this video. I'm moving on to the color and art now. I wanted to show the most beautiful cat eye polish, and this is from MelodySusie. It's such a beautiful red. Wait till you see the magnetic particles move through it. It's so, so pretty. I will have all of the links of the products I used to do this set with down in the description, and I do have a 12% code for them as well if you want to use that. So I'll do the first coat, then I'll cure it, and I'll do a second coat, and then that's when I'll grab the magnet and move the cat eye polish. It just gets deeper with that second coat. It really didn't need it, but it does deepen it. So using the magnet, like, it's so, so beautiful. You can see it there. Look how pretty that is. Such a pretty red for Christmas, Valentine's Day, or just a red in general. So then I have to cure that right away, or else the magnetic particles will move. So always remember that when you're using cat eye polish. Now I'm showing you one more nail with this polish because it is so pretty. Doing that one coat, curing it, and doing the second coat and using the magnet. And this is the only other one I'm going to show with this beautiful red. And I'll move on to what I'm doing next. So I've done the second coat. I'm going to grab the magnet and move the particles around again, and how beautiful. And then it'll cure again, and I'm going to move on to the art that I'll be doing on these nails now. So you'll see the rest of the red applied to the nails that I needed to apply it to. So this is from MelodySusie as well. If you're looking for a really bright white that just applies so nicely for art or for French nails, then this is the one. I'll have it down below as well. It's such a nice white. So just doing some lines, kind of make it look like a candy cane nail. Just some thinner lines this time on this one. And then of course, when I have them all done, they'll cure for 30 seconds. And moving on to the next art, I'm taking that same red cat eye polish and doing a nose. And then once I get it on there, I'm going to grab my magnet and move the particles in the nose as well, just to make it look like Rudolph's nose. And then I'll cure it, or I'll flash cure it. I always like to flash cure art once in a while so that if I put my finger in it, I'm not messing it up when I'm working on the rest of the art on that nail. So now I'm doing the eyes, and then I'm doing the antlers, and I'll just let you watch me do that, and I'll explain what I'm doing next after this is done. You may have noticed with this nail, it's not the perfect shape right now. That's why I always use a thicker top coat. Well, it is a top coat and a builder in one. And then it's just going to balance the nail nicely and even everything out. And it's going to look so nice then. And I am now doing a snowflake. So drawing all of my dots. And then I'll grab a thin liner brush and pull the white through. And of course, it's not cured, the dots that is. And then once I get it pulled through, it's going to make the prettiest snowflake. And then I'll flash cure this before I do the next thing on the nail. So I'm just going to do one star and then just one little dot, making them quite small. So of course I didn't cure it. I'm just pulling the liner brush through to make that star. And then this nail will be done once I finish doing all 4 points. And then I think that is everything I have to show you. Besides, I'm showing you applying the top coat. I want to show you how nice this thicker top coat is. I don't know if you guys just use a thinner top coat, but my clients do so well with it. They never break nails, never chip their nails when I use it. The color never chips, that is, and just such a nice shiny top coat that remains shiny. So I like to balance the nail at this time too. If for some reason I feel it's not, and just like on the reindeer nail, it'll be so much nicer once I apply the builder and even everything out nicely. So moving on to the reindeer nail, you can watch me do that. And then I think I show you the snowflake nail, and then I'll show you the finished nails, of course, at the end. I just want to throw this in here while I'm working on the top coat. I'm not sure if I'll have another video up before Christmas, and I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas with family and friends. Everybody, please travel safely to get to where you're going. And I really want to thank everyone for all your support this year. It means a lot. I hope you can keep on supporting me, and I hope you enjoy the videos that I'm sharing with you. So Merry Christmas, everyone, and a Happy New Year. And I most likely will be back on here in the beginning of the new year. So I never showed you the thumb, but I just did the cat's eye polish on this. So I'm just going to top coat it quick. And this one will be done as well. And then they'll all cure for 60 seconds. I think this set turned out so cute. What do you think? Did you like the video? Do you want me to do more videos showing working on clients? I have lots of reels on my Facebook if you want to see those as well. I'll put the link down below and my Instagram, all of my social media handles. If you like the video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? And I'll see everybody in the next one.